The importance of cross-industry standard process for data mining in a data mining project. The cross-industry standard process for data mining, or CRISP-DM, is a process model with 6 phases that naturally describes the data science life cycle. CRISP-DM in a data mining project provides a structured approach to planning a data mining concept, its flexibility and its usefulness when using analytics to solve attorney business issues. CRISP-DM provides an iterative approach, including frequent opportunities to evaluate the progress of the project against its original objectives. This helps minimize the risk of getting to the end of the project and finding that the business objectives have not really been addressed. It also means that the project stakeholders can adopt and change the objectives in the light of new findings. CRISP-DM methodology is both technology and problem neutral. You can use any software you like for your analysis and apply it to any data mining problem you want to. Whatever the nature of your data mining project, CRISP-DM will still provide you with a framework with enough structure to be useful for you. CRISP-DM encourages best practice and allows projects to replicate. This methodology provides a uniform framework for planning and managing a project. Being cross-industry standard, CRISP-DM can be implemented in any data science project irrespective of its domain.
Hello everyone, I am Christine Hermoto from BSIS 3C. In today's video, we are going to present what is CRISP-DM in data mining. A CRISP-DM stands for C for cross, I for industry, S for standard, P for process, and DM for data mining, known as CRISP-DM. CRISP-DM is an open standard process model that describes common approaches used by data mining experts. It is the most widely used analytic model. A CRISP-DM breaks the process of data mining into 6 major phases. There are business understanding, data preparation, modeling, evaluation, and lastly, the deployment.
Importance of CRISP-DM in data mining project is that it gives you with a roadmap and structures for better and quicker data mining outcomes, which is why we choose it and how it benefits the business.
The CRISP-DM process focuses on understanding the objectives and requirements of a project. The CRISP-DM helps in providing data mining effort, which ensures that everyone is on the same page before expending valuable resources. The CRISP-DM also plays the standing a very important yet critical role in determining the problem. It also helps in defining the project objectives and solution requirements from a business perspectives. For example, the business goal might be increase catalog sales to existing customers. A data mining goal might be predict how many widgets a customers will buy, given their purchases over the past 3 years. A demographic information, for example, age, salary, city, and etc., and the price of the item.
The importance of CRISP-DM in data mining project. CRISP-DM encourages best practices and allows project to replicate. This methodology provides a uniform framework for planning and managing a project. CRISP-DM stands for a cross-industry standard process for data mining. It is an idealized sequence of events in typical data mining project. Provide a structured approach to planning and execution of data mining project. The widely used methodology for problem solving in business analytics. This problem-solving framework consists of phases as follows. The business issue understanding. Decision plays a vital role to become a business successful. So to make a right decision, information is to collected from analysis of the given data. Data understanding. Let you clear what data is needed, what data is available. Initially, the data is collected and proceed yourself to familiar with the data. The relevant information to be collected wisely for solving the problem. Data preparation. This is the first step to solve the problem. The following action to be performed: gather the data from all collected resources, and then the incorrected data is cleansed. The multiple formats, data like table, record, attributes, and etc. in processing in modeling. Modeling. 1. Have to choose the appropriate modeling technique for the given scenario. There are a number of different methods available for predicting the analysis. The modeling have been chosen from the requirements, which is in the form of data. Evaluation. It is a very important phase before processing, visualization, or deployment. Evaluate the model thoroughly by stepping back to the construct model to be certain it properly achieves the business should be taken. Deployment. To communicate with the result you prepared, one has to present the data gained to the customers. Visualize the data in order to easily understand for the customers. For complex data, visualize the data to transmitting the data and the reference data, which we use is mentioned finally measure success is presented. For example, my company has a problem with customers churn. I want to predict what customer will churn and get explanation why they churn. Then I will send a special offer to high-value customers with highest probability to churn.
The cross-industry standard process of data mining is important because it provides a roadmap to follow while planning and carrying out data mining tasks. It helps us organize efficient data mining workflow and ensure that our analysis was relevant, sufficient, readable, and reproducible. Example of that is a car business. The cross-industry standard process of data mining is used to analyze the price trend different from.
Importance of CRIMS-DM methodology. CRIMS-DM stands for Cross-Industry Process for Data Mining. The CRIMS-DM methodology provides a structured approach to planning a data mining project. It is a robust and well-proven methodology. The model does not try to capture all possible routes through the data mining process. CRIMS-DM have a 6 kind of phases. Number 1, business understanding. This phase consists of every precise specification problem together with methodology of evaluating and achievement of the goal. Number 2, data understanding. Is the knowledge you have about the data, the needs the data satisfy, its content and location. Data understanding seeks to be better understanding and data assets and manage accordingly. Data preparation is the act of manipulating raw data into form can readily and accurately be analyzed, e.g. for business purpose. Data modeling. Number 4. in software engineering is a process of creating a data model for an information system. Number 5, evaluating the making of judgment about the amount, number of or value of something. Assessment. Number 6, deployment, the action of bringing resources into effective action.
What is a CRISP-DM?
CRISP-DM is a cross-industry standard process for data mining, an open standard process model that describes common approaches used by the data mining expert. CRISP-DM process consists of several steps, so here's the diagram below.
Using CRISP-DM to predict the car prices.
In that step, we define which problem we want to solve or which problem we want to answer. For example, are there differences in the city average price trend through a day? The data understanding is deals with the data we should use for the solution of a business problem. For example, if the data is stored in the table, it is important to know the exact meaning of each column.
Data preparation. In that step, the data gets prepared for the next step, the data modeling. Preparing the data includes, for example, a strategy on how to deal with the missing values. In general, the data usually not too clean as one would expect it to be. Business question, the data preparation.
Modeling. This step is one of the core steps where one tries to find a model which describes the data. In terms of our business problem or predicting the price of a car based on its features, modeling means finding a function which maps the features of our car to its price. Evaluation. One of the models is built and we need to check how good the performance is. For example, we could predict the price of our car based on the model for which we know the real prices and compare how close the predicted values into the actual ones. Deployment. In the last step, we are satisfied with the performance of the model that we need to productionize it. For our car price prediction example, that could mean that we build an application which allows to enter a certain car features in which form of returns predictions of the price to the user.